Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how to become a computer technician. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a computer technician. Becoming a computer technician typically involves a combination of education, practical experience, and continuous learning to keep up with evolving technology. Here are some steps you can take to pursue a career as a computer technician. Number 1. Obtain a high school diploma or equivalent. A basic education is usually required to start a career in computer technology. Focus on subjects such as mathematics, science, and computer-related courses if available. Number 2. Earn a degree or certification. While a degree is not always mandatory, it can enhance your knowledge in job prospects. Consider pursuing an associate's or bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. Alternatively, you can opt for industry-recognized certifications such as CompTIA A+, which validates foundational skills in computer hardware and software. Number 3. Gain practical experience. Practical experience is crucial in the field of computer technology. Look for internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer opportunities that allow you to work with computers. Troubleshoot issues and gain hands-on experience. This can be within a school or university setting, local businesses, or even personal projects. Number 4. Develop technical skills. Computer technicians should have a strong foundation in hardware and software troubleshooting. Focus on understanding computer components, operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, networking and common software applications. Stay up to date with the latest technology trends and advancements. Number 5. Build a network and seek mentorship. Engage with the professionals in the field by attending industry events, joining online communities, and seeking mentorship opportunities. Networking can provide valuable insights, job leads, and opportunities to learn from experienced technicians. Number 6. Apply for entry-level positions. Start applying for entry-level positions in computer repair shops, IT departments, or computer support roles. This position can help you further develop your skills, gain real-world experience, and provide a stepping stone for your career advancement. Number 7. Continue learning. Technology is ever evolving and continuous learning is essential. Stay up to date with the latest hardware and software trends, pursue advanced certifications, attend workshops or webinars, and consider specialization in areas such as network administration, cybersecurity, or system administration. Number 8. Refine your problem solving and communication skills. Effective communication and problem solving are vital for computer technicians. Work on developing strong analytical and troubleshooting skills as well as the ability to explain technical concepts to non-technical individuals. Remember that the path to becoming a computer technician may vary depending on your location, the specific job requirements, and the industry. It's essential to stay adaptable, continuously learn, and keep up with industry changes to excel in this field. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to become a computer technician. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.